This story is from Hindu literature Ramayana, when Sri Ram teaches Hanumanji that time is repetitive and cyclical, which refers to the idea that time, rather than being linear and progressing from past to future in a straight line, is instead cyclic, with events and phenomena recurring in a predictable pattern. This story goes as Sri Ram gradually retires from administrative duties. He wishes to spend time alone, thinking of those wonderful days and moments that he had spent with his beloved Sita. As days pass by, Yam, the god of death, keeps track of Sri Ram's life and sees that time is fast approaching for him to return to Vaikunth. Sri Ram realizes his arrival, but Yam, the god of death, dared not enter Ayodhya as he was afraid of Hanumanji, who guarded the gates of Sri Ram's palace. To allow Yam's entry, it was necessary to distract Hanuman. So Sri Ram dropped his ring into a crack in the palace floor and requested Hanuman to bring it. Hanuman, ever eager to serve his lord, immediately agreed. He reduced himself to the size of a beetle and entered the crack in the floor. As Hanuman descended deeper into the earth, he found himself in a strange realm. He came upon a land filled with rings. There were countless rings scattered everywhere, shining and glimmering in the light. Confused Hanuman searched for Sri Ram's ring among the myriad of rings. He looked around, trying to discern one ring from another, but they all appeared identical. Just then, a voice echoed through the realm. It was Vasuki, the king of serpents. "Hanuman, do you seek something?" he asked. "Yes, I am searching for Sri Ram's ring," replied Hanuman. "He dropped it and asked me to retrieve it." Vasuki smiled and said, "This is a place where all the rings that Sri Ram has ever dropped in his many avatars come. Each time he incarnates as a human, he drops a ring, and it ends up here. You cannot find the one you seek, as there are countless rings, each from a different lifetime of Sri Ram." Hanuman was puzzled, but then realized the deeper meaning. He understood that Sri Ram's dropping the ring was a way to teach him about the endless cycles of life and death, and the many incarnations a soul undergoes. Realizing the futility of his search, he returned to the palace. Meanwhile, with Hanuman distracted, Yam was able to enter the palace. Sri Ram, serene and composed, greeted Yam. He entrusted the care of Ayodhya to his loyal brothers and followers and prepared for his departure. Sri Ram then stepped into the Saryu river, and as he did, he transformed into his divine form and ascended to Vaikunth, his heavenly abode. Hanuman, realizing the divine play, remained in Ayodhya, continuing to serve and protect the land and its people, waiting for the next incarnation of his beloved Sri Ram. This story of Sri Ram teaching Hanuman the cyclical nature of time reflects a concept that aligns with the 1922 oscillating universe theory, which suggests that the universe undergoes endless cycles of expansion and contraction, known as Big Bangs and Big Crunches. While the fact is this story was written thousands of years ago and the oscillating universe theory was proposed in the 20th century, both share a similar philosophical outlook on the cyclical nature of existence. Though separated by thousands of years and different paradigms, both the ancient story of Sri Ram and the 1922 oscillating universe theory conveys a profound understanding of the cyclical nature of existence. They illustrate how ancient wisdom and modern science can often find common ground in their exploration of the cosmos and the fundamental principles governing it. Stay tuned for the upcoming episode of Time series. Until next time, Namaste.